Alright guys, just want to show you how I install head studs on the headers, because this is something that's going to happen to everybody. The head stud pulls out when you unbolt the factory mufflers. So what you do, or the manifolds I mean, is take a stud, and what I was doing was just getting it started by hand. Okay, some of them go in real easy, but the ones that don't, like this one, you screw it in simply by taking a nut and putting it on there, and then just turn it. And what happens is the shaft will turn and the nut will turn, and then you thread on another one until it stops. And when it bottoms out like that, to get it off, all you have to do, I apologize for the wiggliness because I'm trying to find my tool. There we go. Is just take a pair of channel or a pair of pliers and very, very lightly hold on to it like that. Okay, you see it down there underneath my hand, and then just simply back off the other nut. I'll try and do this with the camera. Let's see. Oh, I got it. And then you just back off the first one, which acts as a jam nut. Again, I've got very little pressure because I'm actually holding the phone and the camera and the pliers. Very little pressure, so you won't gall the threads. And all you gotta do is just take off that. And there you go. That's how you install the studs nice and tight, so that you don't end up with problems later on the road. So again, it's just simply thread it in by hand. Take this. That's coming. I hate that when you're working alone. Sorry about the camera. So you take. That's not the right freaking. I don't know what the heck is. Hang on. Hang on, people. There's the other one. Okay. So, finger tight. Take first nut, run it down on there. Okay? Sometimes it'll run down all the way and you can get the jam nut on automatically. In this case, I actually think this one ran down perfectly by hand. But you just give her a turn. You can see that those threads may or may not turn. Yeah, you can see them if you look. Threads are turning. And again, you don't have to go really, really tight. But there, the threads bottomed out. Sometimes you can get it off like that. I don't know where that went. Great. And then you might see it back out here. That one didn't, though. I didn't need the pliers for that one, which is nice. It's nice when you don't need the pliers. And there you go. Interesting note, as I was up under here, on Speed Skater's car, there was holes, threaded holes, everywhere. Even though, on this car, like right here, no hole. Right here, no hole. No hole. So on his car, I put studs everywhere, even though the factory one is only 8 per manifold. On his car, there were holes here. On this ZHP, there aren't holes, which is kind of nice, because now you don't have to sit here and use the gasket to line up which one goes where and figure out all that good stuff. So you just twist in your studs, put your nuts on.
I sent Little Chad out here to keep you company. He's been out here 5 minutes.
No, he lost interest rather quickly.